Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix WhatsApp status error, as you can see on my screen. So when you are viewing any WhatsApp status on your phone, this type of irritating error if you are facing, you can follow this easy and simple method to fix this error. So let's get started. When you are facing this type of error guys, so the major reason is this: if your internet connection is not good, so at that time guys you can 100% face this type of error. So first you need to check your internet connection is coming good or bad. In case your internet connection is good, working fine, after that you are facing this type of error, so you can follow this method. So close your WhatsApp. After closing guys, just you need to restart your device one time. After restarting, open WhatsApp once again and try to view the WhatsApp status on your phone. This time it will fix your error. So in case still you are facing same type of error guys, now what you need to do, you need to go to the Google Play Store, and in the Google Play Store here you need to search WhatsApp. If the app update was available, just you need to update the WhatsApp app. After updating, hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still you are facing same type of problem guys, you can follow another method. Go to your phone settings, go to apps and notification like this, and go to all apps, okay, and scroll down. Here you need to find out the WhatsApp. As you can see, WhatsApp is here. Just tap on it and go to the storage and clear the caches of your WhatsApp. That's it. After doing this guys, once again you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple methods to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. We enjoy. Please guys, don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.